Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more free presets to give away, 5 in all. They'll be in the description below. After you download them, they'll come in effects. And look for SDS, class, shapes. And just bring it over and drop it on. You can also put them on an adjustment clip as well. I'll give you a quick rundown. I'm not going to go through every control. Probably the most used ones you're going to use are going to be the solid and the invert. Something like that. And angle it. And you have refraction and everything down here. And the second one, the box will grow with the text. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. And the larger you make it, the thicker the border will be automatically. And the rectangle, triangle, and the ellipse, you can animate the length. You just want glass. You can do something like that. And this one, by default, it's like this. Click on the little arrow and turn the fusion overlay on. Then you can draw your polyline to your liking. Then right click on the viewer. You can select all points here or select modify only. That'll prevent you from screwing up your polyline. Actually, we're going to highlight them now. And then right click and smooth. And turn the fusion overlay back off. Make the border width thicker, whatever you want to do. And you can animate it. This is a good one for freehand. And then we have the triangle. And this one, you have 3 points. You can move the points to make whatever shape you'd like. Again, they'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.